Next up for Artisan, the most dangerous game. In this, we need to find out about VIPs in Hunter's Paradise and find out the true nature of them. Of course, we'll be heading all the way up once again to the far north side of the map, Hunter's Paradise. Alright, so landing at Hunter's Paradise, let's head east towards the firing lanes, either through the north in the bushes or pushing through the area. Once again, there are tons of bots here, as you probably know by now, and they could be very angry as usual. Alright, so I'm pushing up from the west. If you don't see bots here, they've probably already been cleared out, and you'll need to come back in the future. Though, there definitely are bots here, which is good news, as we can hopefully get this mission done. Alright, so clearing out the bots in the bush here as well, all the way on the far west side, right over here, you'll see that the first place that we need to go is right over here. At this point, over here, you'll find a hole with a bunch of bodies in it. Simply navigate your way over here and step pretty much into it. When you do, you'll get the first half of this mission complete, and we'll need to head into this area here to get the next one done. We'll navigate across and into the main entrance over here. Once again, the far west side. We haven't gone too far. Entering here into this building, we'll skip this weapon room over here. Yep, nothing in here. And we'll head across all the way into this section here. Here, you'll need to look to your right, and on this table, you should find a note. This we'll need to pick up and take with us back to base, once again, preferably in your back pocket for safekeeping. Handing in the VIP program for Most Dangerous Game, we're now done with this mission. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.